Ever pondered the difference between an operating system and an application software? Or maybe you've wondered why some computer packages are open source, while others are proprietary. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of computer packages, dissecting their various types and analyzing the pros and cons of each. The first type of computer package we'll delve into is the operating system. This is the backbone of any computer, the software that manages all the hardware and other software on a machine. Think of it as the conductor of a technological orchestra, directing the flow of information and commands. Examples include Windows, macOS, and Linux. Windows and macOS are proprietary operating systems. This means that the source code is owned by a company, Microsoft for Windows and Apple for macOS. These companies control the development, distribution, and pricing of their products. The advantage here is that proprietary systems often come with comprehensive support and regular updates. However, they can also be expensive and lack the flexibility of their open-source counterparts. On the flip side, Linux is an open-source operating system. The source code is freely available for anyone to view, modify, and distribute. This fosters a community-driven approach to development, with countless programmers worldwide contributing to the system. The result is a highly customizable, versatile, and affordable operating system, but it can be a bit challenging for beginners due to its technical nature. Next, we have application software, the programs we use every day to perform specific tasks. These range from word processors and web browsers to video editing tools and video games. Like operating systems, application software can be either proprietary or open source. Proprietary application software, such as Microsoft Office or Adobe Photoshop, often offer a polished user experience, professional support, and regular updates. However, they can be quite costly. Open source application software, like LibreOffice or GIMP, are free to use and modify. They may not have the same level of polish or support as proprietary software, but they offer flexibility and affordability that can be appealing to many users. In conclusion, computer packages come in various types, each with its own unique advantages and drawbacks. Operating systems manage the hardware and software of a computer, while application software are programs designed for specific tasks. Both can be either proprietary, offering professional support and a polished user experience, or open source, offering flexibility and community-driven development. Remember, the choice of computer package depends on your specific needs, preferences, and technical expertise. It's a diverse and dynamic field, always evolving, always improving. Stay curious, keep exploring, and you'll find the package that fits just right. Until next time, keep those gears turning and those circuits buzzing.